Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey, do you remember when you were first becoming an electrician? The biggest questions you had was, what tools do I need for the trade? And sometimes you picked one brand over the other. Well, those decisions are nothing like the decisions that you have to make when you become an electrical contractor. That's why I want to introduce you to Jobber. That's right. You know, if you've been watching this channel, that we are the #1 channel for electrical contractors. And I hooked up with Jobber for one reason and one reason only. That's for you. I didn't want any more excuses on why you are not getting field software to run your electrical contracting company. Well, Jobber hit it out of the park this week with an unbelievable sale. That's right. If you have not gotten into field software, today is literally the day. So you're going to hit the links down below and you're getting an unprecedented 50% discount for the first 3 months of field software through Jobber. Unbelievable. There's no more excuses. It is literally the most robust software at the absolute best price point so that you, whether you're one-man or 10-man show, can get service software now. I hope you take advantage of this offer that Jobber has given me exclusively for you, the 360 electrician. So look, whichever socket set you're gonna get, I don't care. It's gonna do the job. But what field software you get matters, especially as you scale and grow your business. I hope to see you in Jobber and back on the channel so we can talk about it on the next one. Click that link below and get your 50% off Jobber right now.